this looks nice. Check out what I think of this next. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm trying out two products I have from Product Junkie Naturals, and one of them includes their Juicy Watermelon Whipped Soap. The other one is the Bath & Body Shop Juicy Watermelon Body Lotion. Now, these two products are from the summer line, which I believe is no longer available, but today their pumpkin line just started. So let's get into this. First off, this smells really good. It smells like watermelon, but not a fake watermelon smell. This whipped soap is super creamy, as you see, and it's a light green color, a comforting green. As you saw when I rubbed it on, it smoothed on really nice. This is definitely a whip consistency, as you see here. And now that I've wiped it off my hand, I'm going to reapply this once I have my hand wet, just to see what happens. I'm trying this out before my own shower in which I will be using this, so I just want to see what happens and decide to just cut on the camera for y'all. This has vegetable glycerin, shea butter, avocado butter, and of course the clean properties. And it just looks great. I can't believe this is my very first time trying a whip body wash. Y'all, why am I so late? Okay. I'm waiting for the lather, but clearly I probably need more water. So, let's add some more. There we go. There go those bubbles. And when I tried this later on in the shower, it lathered up even more. And rinses off nice and clear. There's no difficulty in rinsing it off, and my skin does not feel stripped. Okay, so now for the Bath & Body Shop Juicy Watermelon. And for those that don't know, the Bath & Body Shop is part of Product Junkie Naturals. So now the smell is the same as the soap. This is a nice sturdy plastic jar. This is nice and creamy. Let's see how it smooths on. Okay, so that tells me I'm not gonna have difficulty smoothing it into my skin. I mean, don't you hate that when you have a lotion that just sits there and just never rubs in forever and ever? Well, don't have to worry about that with this. As you see, this is not an oily product at all. I'm not getting a sheen from it at all. I am just getting the moisture piece, which is the reason why we use lotions in the first place, right? Okay. Now, the one thing about the bottle is I wish it had a pump to it, but I can always add one. And as for the soap, I'm gonna close that up. It was all good. So I like both products. Let me know, did you get a chance to try any of the watermelon collection from Product Junkie Naturals during the summer? Also, let me know if you plan on checking out the new pumpkin collection that's coming out later on today, September 6th. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.